What is going on, guys? So I'm heading out to True Vision photo shoot, video shoot with Jules and Maddie Olivia. Maddie's on Jules's CBR 600. I'm on Yamaha R1 and Jules is on my beautiful S1K. You better treat this thing with love. It's in Race Pro, so it's gonna give you full bite. I have it in positive 7 DTC, so it's the most traction control. You should be good. Listen to that. Listen to that. Listen to her. Yeah! Yeah! Just wait for it to calm down. Wait for it to calm down. Wait for it to calm down. Oh, let's do this thing, brother. All right, we're rolling out. We are very late. Oh, my bike sounds so good, bro. My bike sounds so good. I've never heard it from an outsider's point of view. I've never heard it. Oh, nice little false neutral. All right, gets me. This bike loves neutral. Or maybe I'm just not hitting it hard enough.
What do you mean by that?
But still. Oh, traffic, bro. Come on. Oh my gosh, dude. We can't escape it. Saying she looked good on that bike. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Oh, I'm sorry if the sun is glaring in your guys' eyes, man. It's because it sure as heck is glaring in mine. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. We're meeting up with Mez, Will, Rafa, Vanessa, Amy Cavon. Literally anybody that you could think of on social media is who we are meeting up with. They are all here. I mean, obviously, Tucker's not here. Tucker was supposed to be here, and so was Jack Stevens. But some things came up, so they're not here. But it would have been cool to hang with my boys because they were all staying in the same Airbnb as me. And now it's just me and Jules and 2 other guys, so it's all right. Waco Denton. Waco Denton! Oh! Oh! That's Rafa and Mez! Yeah, we don't feel comfortable doing what they just did. There's so much traffic. But at least they know that we're on the way. I'm on a bike that I don't know, she's on a bike that she doesn't know, and Maddie's on a bike that she really doesn't know. All right. Well, it was nice seeing them. We'll see them again at the meet. But they have officially gapped us, brother. We have been gapped by Mez. Wow, that sun is so bright, bro. Oh my gosh. Calmate, por favor, it's too bright. It's so nice out, though. It's not going to be nice like this the rest of the week in Dallas. It's only nice like this for today and tomorrow, which is Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's supposed to rain. It's supposed to be like in the 60s, which is still like... just still like pretty nice, but you know, it's not like super nice. Met up with Mez and everybody, so we're about to head out to True Vision shoot right now, and we're about to go. I think Amy and her crew, her girl crew, is meeting us up there, so about to head out right now. Sundown. I'll probably switch to my night setting once we get there. Look at Abe already going. Yeah, look at these boys. Oh my gosh. These hooligans, I swear. Sheesh. mirrors here. Oh man, stock air bike. No, I love the pipe on this. Oh no, Jules has her mirrors on her bike. I forgot. Well, that's Maddie riding it, but you know what I'm saying. Yeah, this dude still has his phone out. Yo, he's going 100 miles per hour. Oh no, he put it away. I was like, this dude is crazy, brother. It feels so good to be back riding with these boys, though. I miss riding in Miami with them, and now I'm in their home state, Texas. So, hey, we're gonna see how they rip up come like 12 a.m. You know, when it's a lot safer to do so. You feel me? You feel me, brother? Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. I say yes sir a lot, but that's just how that's I'm hyped like that. Go Abe, yeah. Yeah, throttle control. Woo, this is cool. This is cool right here. Look at this, bro. Yo, this is cool. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at the sunset over there too. No, no, I'm borrowing this. Oh. Yeah. Bro, so many R1s today. I love it. I love the sound of it. I see the hype. Yeah. That was cool. Am I still recording? I got a bug on my lens. Sweet. Ah, that's cool. The whole like overpass with the plane. Oh, that's cool. Oh my gosh, this crossplane sounds beautiful. Yeah, I love these R1s, dude. Now, I don't really like the front face of this one. I like the 2015 to 2019 face of the R1. But I will say, like, it's kind of growing on me now. This face is kind of growing on me. Yo, homeboy got a DK plate, Drift King. Okay, the R1 sounds normal because his sounds like his is cammed as well. Alright, Abe's sounds like his is cammed. Look at Abe's new paint though. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I know it looks black right now or kind of navy blue, but wait till you see it in the sun. You can kind of see it reflecting right there where my finger's pointing. A good time. Are you having a good time? Because I know I am. be doing a little cut-ski potatoes in Texas. Oh yeah. I mean, that wasn't like super fast, but that was fun. That was fun. Oh sh. Your camera flew off. Your camera flew off.
I saw where it went.
Oh, you saw where it went?
But I'm pretty sure it got ran over by a Subaru.
Yeah, it's gone. I didn't even see it fly off. Oh, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Wow. This looks nice. That sunset is so beautiful. Wow. Dude, this exhaust pops so much. Like, ew, it pops so much. This is beautiful. Like, look at this, Dallas. Dallas, what a way to impress. What a way to impress, Dallas. Huh?
What did I lose?
Your Insta360.
How?
Yeah, it flew off.
Randomly?
I must have not tightened it tight enough, but I did what I normally do. So. Damn, they were right behind us. I don't know when you lost it though, because Ave saw it. I didn't, so you must have been in back of me.
What?
Ave saw it fall off. I didn't.
I'm not worried. I don't know. I mean, I only really care about the SD card because I know that there was stuff on it.
Yeah, it got ran over by a Subaru, so.
What?
It got ran over by a Subaru, so that SD card's toast.
A car?
Yeah, a car ran it over. Yeah, so it's toast.
It was brand new.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Crazy meat out here. Crazy meat out here. Oh, man. This is nice. About to hit up a Buc-ee's real quick. It's my first time ever out of Buc-ee's. But I think Maddie, me, Jules, and I forgot the girl's name, but she's on an R7. I don't know her. She's friends with my girlfriend and Maddie though. I'm sorry, I forgot your name. If you're watching this, I'm so sorry. But she's on an R7. Yeah, I think we're gonna go explore downtown Dallas. I think we want to hit the tunnels, but not like fast. We're gonna be very, very careful about it. The police have the tunnels locked down, so you just gotta be careful. We all got plates. We're all chilling. Yeah, I love this R1, dude. I can't say it enough, man. I love this R1. Oh, I love the sound of this bike. No, I'm just borrowing it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So pretty.
I love it. I wish it shot flames. It doesn't shoot. It doesn't shoot at all. It's a beautiful exhaust though. It's expensive. There's no flames coming out.
Have you been to Buc-ee's?
Nah. I've only seen them. It looks absolutely unnecessarily like a supermarket for a gas station. We just left Buc-ee's, brother. I just had me a pork something. Yeah. I just had me a pork sandwich with some chalky milk, brother. And now we're going to explore Dallas. We broke off from the boys. They were just like, they weren't doing actual rollers. They were doing like video shoots. just at that place, just because, you know, doing rollers, a bunch of people have been getting arrested lately, so respectable. Yeah, I will say the R1 is by far one of the most uncomfortable bikes I've ever ridden in my life. Like, this thing is, I'm so hunched over and so like, like, I don't know how to explain it, but I am uncomfortable. Like, I'm in pain, but hey, I'm still loving the bike. Like, it's a great bike. It's got a lot of power, but oh, this dude has blue lights on his truck. I was like, yeah, no way. Dallas has some LG HD TV lights all over it. The RGB lights or whatever. Yeah. She thought that was a whole lane. She thought that was a whole nother lane. Nope. No, it's not. Yeah. Alright, we're entering the tunnels here in a second. Maybe this isn't such a good idea, but I feel like as long as we obey the speed limit and we do good, I feel like there should be no issue. Like, they shouldn't target us when we're doing nothing wrong. Alright, these are the tunnels right here. This is mad cool. Yeah. This is cool. So this is the tunnels. This is what you see these guys always ripping on right here. The tunnels. That was cool. The tunnels are pretty cool, I will admit. Oh my god, there's more. What? There's more? Oh. So this is the exit. So how does somebody get trapped in said tunnels? That was cool. I probably could have ripped then. I'll keep regretting that I didn't, but yeah, that's life. Bro, what is happening, bro? DPS is like slowing, like blocking all traffic and just stopping us at random times. But like there's cops everywhere, bro. At first I thought they blocked traffic to get to us. I thought they were gonna try to raid us for going into the tunnels. But no, this is like construction or something. Oh, they stopped us again, bro. Just wanna take the exit, dude.
Much later.
This is cool.
Is so fun.
Yeah, that was fun. I wish I could speed on it, but I just genuinely don't know when there's a helicopter in the sky, and I don't want to worry about it.
Yeah.
Like if I came to Texas in like a few months, oh my god, I'd be out, gone. Alright, we are heading back to the Airbnb right now. Dallas, you are beautiful. First night in Dallas was a success. I'm gonna be on a different bike tomorrow. Oh, look at them holding hands. Aww! But no, I had a great time, to be honest, but it's just this bike is just not meant for my body. It is so uncomfortable. I love the R1, I love the sound of it, I love the power, I love everything about it, but besides the comfortability, I don't like how uncomfortable it is. Like, you can hear it in my voice how tired I am, and that's also because I've been driving for 24 hours and I immediately hopped on bikes. But at the same time, this bike has taken a toll on my body, for sure.